channel. Today our video is on surface area. Okay, before we go into detail with this, I'm gonna use this box to demonstrate what surface area is. Surface area, it means all this area around this cuboid. So what that means is I need to find, you can see this is a rectangle, and remember, if you've watched our previous videos on finding the area of a rectangle, we said it's length times width. So I have got this, which looks exactly the same as a rectangle. So this rectangle is exactly the same as the top rectangle. So which means if you find the area of this rectangle, you double it, it's exactly the same area of this. If you find this side, the area for this side is exactly the same as the area of this side. The area of this side is exactly the same as area of this side, which means we have got 6 rectangles, which means we've got 3 pairs, because this is the same as that, this is the same as that, this is the same as that. So which means we've got 3 pairs of similar rectangles. So what I will do on this one is to make sure all of them, I've calculated all the sides. It is very important to note that you've calculated all the sides. So for me not to miss them, I'll label my rectangles which I have. So I'll call the front one rectangle A. So this is my rectangle A. Okay, and I'll call the top, which is the top and the bottom, this one I'll call it B. And which means my sides, which is this side and this side, I'll call it C. Okay, so I'll start with calculating area A. Okay, so area A, which means area for my rectangle A, which is 12. We can see the length is 12 and the height is 4, because this side is exactly the same as this side, because it's a rectangle. So that will be 12. So this one will give me 12 times 4. That's for the one side. But remember, I need to double because I've got 2 similar sides. So this will give me 48. But I need to double this because I've got 2 sides. Then times 2, this will give me 96. So my area done. My area A is done. Then I'll go to area B. So my area B, which is the top and the bottom. So as you can see, this side is exactly the same as that because it's a rectangle. And this side is exactly the same as that. So which means it's 12 times 5. So my top will be 12 times 5, which will give me 60. 60 because you've got 2 of them, the top and the bottom. So times 2 this will give me 120. Okay, now I'll move to area C. My area C, which are the sides now, which are these sides of my box, this side and this side. So it is, the length is 5 and the width is 4 centimeters, which is 5 times 4. This will give me 20. But remember, I've got another side which is exactly the same, so I have to double this times 2, and this will give me 40. Now when I have got it, there are 3 pairs, because remember we said we've got 3 pairs, which makes them 6 rectangles. So we've got 6 rectangles, but because they are similar, we are going to use 3 pairs. So which means I'm going to add 96 from 120 plus 40. So this will give me, that will be 6. 9 add 2, which is 11, plus the 4, which is 15. Then you count 1, and 1 add 1, this is 250. So my total, because I need to find the total surface area. So my total surface area for that cuboid will be 256 centimeter squared, because this is area. Okay, I'll rewrite this one so that it's clear. 256 centimeters squared. Okay, as usual, you've got a worksheet at the end of the video. Practice the worksheet, send in your work for marking, and then you can do the next video.